friends, I'm back with a new video. Today we are going to see how to make an easy paper butterfly. To make the butterfly, we need a square paper and I'll show you how to fold it. First, you have to make this into a triangle. Open it and do it to the opposite side too. Then you have to open and make it into a rectangle. You have to do the same to the opposite side too. Now the folding marks are over. Now we are going to make it. Now you have to push this side inside and do the same to the opposite side too. Now you have to fold it like this and you have to cut it. Now you have to open it and then you have to take this and fold it like this and do the same again in the next side. Now you have to take it, you have to pull this over here and fold it like this. If you want, you can stick it. The butterfly is ready now. These are few butterflies which I made. Cutting and sticking is optional. So friends, let's make some butterflies and enjoy playing with them. Friends, please like and subscribe my little channel. Thank you.